As a creator looking to succeed on the YouTube space, whether as a beginner creator like you're just starting out, or you are an existing creator, that means you've been creating content, but you are looking to succeed on the YouTube space, like you've tried everything and it's not working, this particular trick I'm going to talk to you about is just the one sure way to help you succeed on the YouTube space. A lot of people don't know this. They will not even tell you if they know, but this is one thing that the YouTube algorithm wants you to do in order for you to succeed. Before we dive right into the video, kindly go ahead and subscribe, because on here I teach you how to grow on YouTube, make money and smile to the bank. If this is something that you currently or constantly want to see, kindly go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And yes, let's dive right in. The very one thing that you need when it comes to growing here on the YouTube space is consistency. Yes, I know you must have heard it a lot, and I know a lot of people misinterpret this, but you guys, if you are consistent on the YouTube space, you are going to succeed. This is because the YouTube algorithm promotes content or creators that are actually constantly always on the YouTube space than creators that comes once in a while. And I'm going to explain it to you. If you constantly put videos out here on the YouTube algorithm, one day one of the videos are going to be pushed by the YouTube algorithm, right? But if you go once in a while, maybe once in a month, you put out content once in a month, the YouTube algorithm is going to be confused as to what you are doing, and that video or those videos may not get promoted. And this is the reason why. Number one, when you constantly put content on the YouTube space, it helps the YouTube algorithm to know who your content are for, what your content are all about, and how to actually direct your content to the right audience. If you are not constantly pushing out content on the YouTube space, the algorithm may be confused as to who needs your video, who wants to watch your video, or even the people that watch similar content, who they are, right? So you need to train the algorithm to actually love the content that you do, or to actually understand the content that you do, so that they can better promote it to the right audience, right? And that is the more reason why you need to upload consistently. Now, when it comes to constantly uploading, another thing is the fact that a lot of people feel like they need to make sure the video is of quality and all of that. You guys, quality does not matter when it comes to succeeding on the YouTube space. Some random video can just explode. I've seen it happen here on the YouTube space a lot of the time. One random video that you just picked and uploaded can just blow up randomly, and you will be asking yourself, well, I didn't put so much effort. It is not in the effort that you are actually putting out, because one thing with YouTube is the more you constantly upload videos on the YouTube space, the more you get better with editing, the more you get better with recording your videos, the more you get better with quality of the videos generally, right? So you don't get it right on the first upload, or you don't wait until you get it right before you start uploading on the YouTube space. YouTube isn't really concerned about the quality of your videos. YouTube is concerned about a creator that is constantly on the YouTube space. And this is the reason why YouTube created this platform, so that it can bring people and keep them on the YouTube platform, right? So that they can gain knowledge and have access to information that they want to. Now, if you are a creator, one thing that YouTube wants you to do is to bring people to the platform. And how do you bring people to the platform? You bring people to the platform by creating content constantly. If you continue to create content constantly, of course people will continue to know that, okay, the particular creator is always here and I need to be watching their videos, or I can be watching their videos whenever I want it or whenever I need it, right? And another thing is that it is not the quality of your videos that keep your audience watching, it is the information embedded in your videos that keep your audience watching. So you want to know that and know peace. When people come up here to watch videos, they are not coming here because they just want to waste their data or their time, right? They are coming here because they need a particular information, and if your videos keep giving them that particular information, it is going to be registered in that person's mind that you as a creator, you always have the information that they want, and so they will get to subscribe to your channel, they will get to turn on post notifications, and then they will start following you. So anytime you upload videos, they definitely would watch it. So it is not about the quality of your videos, it is how consistent you are with the informations that you are giving. YouTube does not want a creator that will come today and then they will vanish on them, like they will go ghost on them, because minus creator on this YouTube space, YouTube is definitely not going to be working, right? So they need their creators and they want them to be consistent, right? That is why in 2026, whether as a new creator or as an existing creator, you need to make a time for your YouTube channel. So if you are thinking of growing your YouTube channel, make sure that you are incorporating consistency in your YouTube channel. Whether you come up here to decide to create content 3 times a week, or to upload content 2 times a week, or to upload content even once a week, you want to make sure that you register that particular time on the YouTube algorithm, so that it will be able to know that, okay, at this particular time this person always comes on the page, or at this particular time this person always upload content, right? Now if it's registered like that on the YouTube algorithm's mind, anytime you upload a particular content or your series of content, right, it is easier for the YouTube algorithm to actually just pick your videos and take it directly to the people that needs it, because over time the YouTube algorithm has known who your audience are, what kind of videos they watch, and the time that you normally upload these videos for them. So it is just easy for you to break through. If you think I'm lying, like, give yourself 3 months to constantly upload videos, and you don't need to wait for the whole 3 months for you to be a master of this. You can actually batch create this content, right? Batch create this content and schedule them. Just allow them go and keep going and keep uploading, right, by themselves. Now if you do this, you will notice that your watch time is going to increase, the frequency at which YouTube is recommending your videos is also going to increase, and the number of subscribers you are going to get is also going to increase. That is to tell you that YouTube is promoting content creators, or creators that are actually coming up constantly on the YouTube space. So make sure that your consistency is king when it comes to creating content on the YouTube space. Please do not come once in a month. It is too small. You cannot beat the YouTube algorithm by that, coming once in a month, right? At least twice a week. That is like the bare minimum I can even suggest for anyone. Twice in a week. If you cannot do twice in a week, then you may be watching your channel going very, very slow. I hope this video has helped you, and if it has, thank you so much for sticking with me on here. If this video has helped you, kindly go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up. Let me know the next thing that you're struggling with on your YouTube channel in the comment section, so that I can make a video for you, because I currently run 5 YouTube channels and I've monetized 4 out of those 5 YouTube channels. I'm actually on my journey to monetize the 5th one, and that is why I create this channel, so that I can teach you everything that you need to know when it comes to monetizing your own YouTube channel, right? Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.